Let's gonna harvest some kartofler. Come. Ready? Ready? Are you ready, Junior?
Mommy, så jeg vil grave. Jeg vil ret grave.
Så er der lige være, jeg så ødelægger kartofler. Lad nu lige være, skat. Så er der lige være. Samantha, lad lige være.
Må vi det?
Kom.
Den her.
Så drivende. Hvad for nogen er kommet ned først, skat? Er det dem herovre, dem derovre, eller dem her?
Den her.
Dem her?
Ja.
Ja. Se.
Wow.
Kartofler. Stop.
Where's the bucket, kid?
Der er Samantha. Der.
Put it here, Junior.
Så, fyld den op med kartofler. Boline.
There's more.
Nej, dem skal vi ikke have, den her.
Hvorfor?
Prøv at se her. Den der skal vi heller ikke have.
Why? What does it mean?
That's potato plague or something like that.
I know.
It's ruined spoiled potatoes.
Maybe just put that there.
Og far, Juni vil have regnorm.
Ja, den er over skrønt op.
Juni, der er regnorm der.
Mm-hmm.
Regnorm. Look at all those chickens.
Prøv lige på at den der skat.
Yeah. I know.
It's just in the outside, babe.
Yeah, but I don't know if it does anything inside.
What the hell is
Supposedly
it?
do make it bad. Taste bad. Ja, pas lige på, pas på,
Junior.
pas på.
This is outside, right?
Mm.
I know. I know.
Måske kan Jule, pas lige lidt på, skat.
What's that, Junior? Can I see? Are they warm? What's that, Junior? Try this one, babe. The other one.
Nej, vi skal ikke have flere nu, skat. Kartofler, de er lige derovre.
Den er nok måske. It's from the other plant now, babe.
Ja, pas på den.
See? Can you bring that to the kanin now? Come. Can you bring that to the kanin, Junior?
Kan du tage på planteren og gå til kaninen med den? Ja, sådan.
Can you bring this one then? I'm so done. There's one more here, babe.
That's a rotten potato.
How did you know? Oh. They're Oh. They're eating it too.
Mom! No. Mommy, no, I actually just fell and hit myself here, but I watched it all.
You fall?
Yes, from the swing.
Oh, no.
I just washed the thing off that was dirty. I
Okay.
didn't even go out. Mama, you're on team with Mommy. I'm alone. I'm on team with you. I don't.
Ow.
Mommy, let's pull the strawberries.
Oh.
No. Stella, you and Mommy are on team. I'm alone.
Oh. Oh, no.
Are you okay? I meant to go over her, not film. It's better you and Mommy are on team, Sky. Sky, remember? Go, Mommy.
Yeah, what is it? Can I see that? see that?
It's a rhino.
Can I see that, baby? What's it in your hands? Ay! Oh, can you throw that out, come?
Mommy, come on, we're playing. Yeah.
Ow! Ow! Nee, din een weg no sket. Kan Yeah, can you play football with Daddy? Come.
No, you have to play with us. No.
Ow!
I'm alone. This is kids' team.
Is this
No,
kids
Dada.
team?
It's everybody. Everybody's allowed.
Hello, caninos.
Mom! No! Mom.
They're hungry.
Watch out. We're still playing, Mommy. Remember. Come on.
What you gonna do with that?
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. Don't need to fly. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Zo, Skylar, stop with that.
Ow!
Come here.
Raining.
Daddy just kicked the... Ow!
Out of the garden, right? Stop og to. Sådan der.
First harvest of... It's raining tacos!
Look at that.
Oh, no. Is it broken? Ay, it's broken now, Skyla.
For de leger med en, som vi gør, så går den i stykker.
Don't
Det er bare fint muligt. Tak.
open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Dun, 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 dun. Just raining tacos. Mommy, you know why I thought it because I was doing this. I fall down and do like this.
No.
And I just come to snip this and then boom. From out of the sky, tacos. No, I don't like it. I don't like when you're there.
Can you throw that out now, Ka? So we can wash ka hena, no?
Don't throw it out. Throw it out. There, yeah.
Tara, so wash ka
And
hena.
now time to step on this.
No!
No.
Can I wash hands na, Ka?
No. No. Samantha. No. He doesn't want them to die. Jonas, move behind. Move behind. Somehow. He needs them to die. Jonas, somehow. Watch out. Yeah.
No, just here. Don't, not in the water. Just here, baby. Yeah, Chuck. Come. So let's go wash your hands.
And then after you have to play football with me.
Do you know where we're sleeping today?
No.
No? You could make a guess.
Tent?
Yes.
In the garden?
Yes.
Skylar, we're sleeping in tent in the garden. But that means we're sleeping with you.
Yes.
Like we're not supposed to do.
I
I want to
know.
help put it up. Mommy, I know that we were camping there. Yeah, and then you scared us. But they were sleeping inside. There was a dead frog. And yeah, there was a dead thing in a toilet outside.
It was a rat.
A rat?
Yeah.
I thought it was a frog. Let's build. And then we have to sleep here for real.
Yes.
We're not just gonna play that. I'm having a backpack on. I just gotta go and get something. I believe I can fly.
Come, let's here. Let's clear up here. Yes.
Mommy, I don't want to sleep without a teddy bear.
Now we're gonna get your teddy bear.
Are we gonna get everything in there?
Hmm.
Food? Wow, there's a lot of room. You scared me.
Did I scare you?
Yeah! Tonight. Yeah. Do you know there's a properly entrance Muscat Union? Yeah. Party in the elevator. This place. And she's smacking the mattress we're going to sleep on. Ow. Camping in our own garden. We're camping in our garden. Mommy, remember somebody on your live said, "Where's your bunnies?"
Yeah.
It's not there. Luna, just get in. Stop. 1, 2, 3, came out. I gotta get a tent record. Don't we need a lot of stuff in here ready? I gotta get my stuff. Mommy, but if
We are on the tent.
I'm gonna sing. Whoa.
Stop, stop, stop. Where are we?
We're in our backyard camping. I'm singing
Hi,
in our
Kayla.
garden. We're camping in our garden. In our garden. Stop! I'll make you go. Okay, no.
This one is Samantha.
This one's Skylar.
This one is Skylar. Junior.
Let me not Skylar. Stop. Okay, guys, let me tell you something. I'll give you a strawberry cow if you make me go wow.
What?
No. Wow. Wow. Stop. They used to say, give me stuff becomes my day. It's my song with a strawberry cow. I'm going to throw this phone. Cool. Äpple. Äpple. Du ser det äpple. Äpple. Ö. Ö stavas ö.